Welcome back to the Asia and Faith Show. Go. Hi. As I said before, you people know not to repeat this. This is ours. I'm going to slide down on my feet. Hopefully. This is just Asia being herself. I know that because one time she flew off the slide.
I went from here
all the way over there.
to there. Yeah, people, it's not fun. It kind of is. Try again. I can't do that. So.
What are you doing?
Okay. You know how in like really cool movies where people run and they jump on the chair and it falls forward? That's what I'm gonna do. With, oh yeah, you guessed it, a lightsaber! Luke, I am your father.